In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create photo albums in OneDrive. OneDrive offers a great way to keep your photos organized and accessible from anywhere. We'll walk through each step together, making sure you have everything you need to start creating your albums effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, if you haven't already, open your web browser and go to the OneDrive homepage. Once there, you'll notice a range of options towards the top of the screen. What you want to do is click on Photos. This option will redirect you to an organized view of all the photos you have stored in OneDrive. By accessing this area, you can comfortably manage your images and create albums without a hitch. Now that you're in the Photos section, look for the Albums tab. You'll typically find this tab alongside others within the same menu. Clicking on Albums will shift your view to any albums you've previously made. If it's your first time, this space might look quite empty, but don't worry. This is where your creative organization will soon start to shine. To create a new album, you'll want to look for the Create Album button. It's distinctive and usually easy to spot towards the top right corner once you're in the Album section. Clicking on it will prompt you to start building your first album. Now comes the creative part, naming your album. Think of a name that best represents the collection of photos you're planning to group together. Once you've decided on the perfect name for your album, simply type it in. After naming your album, click on Next. At this point, OneDrive will guide you through on-screen prompts, making the entire setup straightforward and intuitive. As you proceed with the prompts, you'll have the option to select which photos you'd like to include in this album. You can add a handful of images or as many as you'd like, depending on your needs. If you have numerous photographs already stored, you might want to use the search function to find them quicker, saving time and ensuring you don't miss any important shots. Once you've selected your photos, follow the remaining prompts to finalize your album. OneDrive will confirm once your album is ready, and just like that, you've successfully created a photo album. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to crafting your photo albums in OneDrive. With these new skills, organizing and sharing your cherished memories becomes both efficient and enjoyable, no matter where you are. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing.